Hey, what's up guys? Fisherman Jay here, and today me and my dad are gonna go traffic creek out. Alright, this is homeboy's first fish of the day. What's that, Brum? Oh yeah.
It's big.
Dang.
Look, just as soon as they hit the water, it went right back under. It's going right back under. They're going
That's
back.
the biggest one we ever caught in any creek.
One I ever caught.
Yeah, let's get a picture.
I think the first one I caught was bigger. I mean, the first one I lost was bigger.
Yeah, you're gonna be in this smile. Yeah. Yeah.
That was eating size right there.
Yeah. Homeboy got another one. Let's go see his fish. Huh? I ain't got mine. I got half mine. And the tail left. What? That's a bluegill. Homeboy, second fish.
Hey, you need to take the camera back.
No, that's good. I'll take pictures of mine.
I ain't getting a bite though.
For real?
Yeah. Another one, little one.
I want to get something big.
Hey, the thing just went off.
Oh no, all you gotta do is press the OK button. It just, the screen turns off.
No little brim. This was better than nothing. Just missed one.
Whenever you like done, when you get a bite, press the OK button.
Got another one. Another warmouth. Two in a row. Another warmouth. That's four. Got another one. You got one too?
Yeah.
The baby's catching them over there. I'm catching them over here. Got one or two more out of here. Oh, Lordy, nice one. Oh my goodness. Jeffrey, that's the biggest warmouth I've ever caught. That is huge. That's a big fish.
Dang. Holy crap.
And look at that thing.
That's pretty accurate.
That's my hand. He's so.
That's picture work right there. That's a good picture.
That's nice.
Hold him up.
Little bass.
Yeah,
Nice bass.
Huge.
Go ahead, I got you. Well, you talking about bass? There's the first bass caught out this creek. We've only been there twice. He's recording right now. Trying to hang up with old man, he can't do it. Got another one. Another little crappie. Crappie, warmouth, and a bass. That's pretty good in this creek. Not big, but yeah. A warmouth. Good gracious. Look at these warmouths. They're getting bigger and bigger. That's three keepers right there.
slide the hook.
My son trying to catch me. Got lucky on another one.
There's still big ones up.
Maybe caught another one. Little warmouth. Oh, got a nice one. Oh, got a big one. Catfish. Goddamn catfish. New breed, new species. Now we caught catfish last time. Nice catfish. Not that big. You got another one. Oh, another nice one. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Here at dark. There we go. Not bad, not bad at all. Wow, another nice one. It's the biggest warmouth I've ever caught. Look how big he is. This is bigger than the first one.
I don't think this is a crap. This has to be a perch.
Nice warmouth. Crappie. White perch one.
With the one, the
same thing. Here, from what? Nice perch, warmouth.
The one I caught.
Son just caught another bass.
There was a bass. Someone's putting up here on this side.